Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this lesson, we are going to talk about logarithm and exponential equations. As always, before watching this video, please try to solve those problems. If you can solve the problems, then you are ready to watch this video. If you are ready, then let's get started. Here are the first and second problems. The first problem looks long and complicated, but it's not actually complicated. The second problem can be solved by using the basic rules of logarithm and exponents. And here is the last problem. To solve this, you should know how to draw circle equation and fractional equation on xy plane. I will give you the solutions of the problems very soon, but please go back to the problem and click the pause button and try to solve them for yourself. It will help you to understand and to improve your math skills dramatically. In 7 seconds, the solution part will appear. Here is the first problem. It's a so long question, but the solution itself is not really complicated. Let's make equations by using the given condition. Let's define X, Y, and Z as the population of the cities and traffic volume of 5 years ago. By the given condition, population of two cities and traffic volume of current can be written like this, right? Now we can make two equations, the traffic volume of 5 years ago and that of current, like this. If we multiply the traffic volume of 5 years ago by 1.12, then it can be written like this, and it is equal to the traffic volume of current. Now just we need to solve this equation, okay? We can remove k like this and take a common logarithm on both sides. Then it becomes like this. Here we can remove the common part. So it becomes log 1.12 equal to a times log 1.15 plus 1 minus a times log 1.1. If we rewrite it for a, we can get to know that a is equal to log 1.12 minus log 1.1 over log 1.15 minus log 1.1. By using the given condition, we can compute this equation. So a is equal to 2 over 5. That's the solution to the problem. Is it okay? If it's clear, then let's move to the next problem. Here is the second problem. First, let's try to change the given condition by using logarithm definition. By using this, it can be written like this. If we use this rule, it can be more simplified. So a and b can be expressed like this. Now let's put them into the given equation. Putting them into the given equation gives us this equation. By using this rule, we can rewrite it like this. And here, common parts can be cancelled like this. So x is equal to square root of 15. This is the solution to the problem. It's not so complicated, right? If it's clear, then let's move to the next problem. Here is the last problem. Let's start by summarizing the first function. By using the rule, it can be written as log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of y is equal to log base 2 of k. So we can get this fractional equation. Now let's draw the graph of the two functions on xy plane. The graph y equals to k over x is only available in the first quadrant, because the domain of xy is greater than 0. Depending on k value, y equals to k over x can be drawn in a different way, as you can see in the picture. There are two ways to solve this. First, I will use the discriminant to solve it. If we put y equals to k over x into the circle equation and summarize it, it becomes x to the power of 4 minus x squared plus k squared equal to 0. Let's substitute x squared as t. Then it finally becomes t squared minus t plus k squared equals to 0. Because two graphs are tangent, there should be only one root in this equation. So the discriminant 1 minus 4k squared should be equal to 0. We know that k is positive value, so k is equal to 1 over 2. This is the first way to solve this problem. Here is another way to solve it. Let's look at the graph y equals to k over x. The graph is symmetric with respect to y equals to x, and y equals to x is passing through the center of the circle. It means that the intersection point is on the graph y equals to x. Then we can change variable y to variable x. So we can get to know that x squared is k, which is equal to 1 over 2. That's another way of solving this problem. If you know how to draw the given function's graph on xy plane, it is not so complicated problem. Is it clear? This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching my video. If it was helpful, please click the subscribe and like button. Then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.